Bless up the viewers and subscribers, how you all doing? Now it's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So what I want to talk about today on the program is that situation with Shenseea and her new song with Megan Thee Stallion. As you know, the song has garnered over 3 million views in just 2 days. And even though the song is not what people anticipated, it's still getting that views based on the followings of Megan Thee Stallion and also Shenseea. But the song has been getting a whole lot of backlash based on the fact that a line from it was seen to have been sampled from a soca or calypso song, I believe, and the fans are not really having it. So a number of them took to social media and stating that they expected better from Shenseea, and it's just been a whole show of words based on the whole entire song that was put out on Friday. Even social media sensation Footer Hype weighed in on the issue, and a number of them have stated as well, and a number of our fans have stated as well, that they don't believe that this song represents the culture of Jamaica, and they don't believe that Shenseea is actually doing Jamaican music based on the fact that she's trying to cross over on the international scene. So many people as well are stating that they believe that Shenseea would be the next Rihanna, and that is one of the things that they're stating. That's why she's doing this type of music. However, I've not got the chance to really get into the details of it just yet, but once I do get the time, I'm going to give you my take on the whole entire thing. But personally, I don't think that song really rep for Jamaica. It seems as if that song is just a song that is an international song for fans on the international scene, and this is not really reggae or dancehall music being portrayed over there on the platform. So bless up yourself, viewers, and drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this song that was pushed out by Shenseea, and what do you think? Is she repping for the culture, or she's just going with the fame and the hype of the United States? And is she trying to do our music, or she has crossed over into doing another set of music in order to cross over on the international market? But just let me know how you feel about it, because I personally don't believe that this song does any justice for her musical career, and also the development of our dancehall music and also our reggae music as well. So just let me know how you feel in the comment section. As always, you know, Links 007 TV, always keeping it real with you guys. First time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. Always become a part of the Links TV family, and you know how we do our thing over here. Alright, so it's a Monday morning, nice and early, as you can see. Bless, love, and just continue to just support the movement of Links TV, and just bless yourself as always. So this is where we're going to sign out for this report right now. Much love, much respect goes out to you as always. Links 007T to the V. Peace out and bless.
Oh, me washing my panty. We did a sample of Put Your Back in It from Denise, Equinox, and DJ Flex, right? Well, I ended up doing the sample, but I didn't come up with the idea to do the sample. Murder actually came up with the idea. He's a fire-ass producer, by the way. Big up Murder. Produced this fire-ass track. Even though when we're in the studio, he always tries to get me drunk. I mean, I like that about Murder. Him not stop try drunk me off in the studio. I'm not gonna do it with him no more. Anyways, came up with lick and shit, and he originally had the sample in the beat, and then he said that, yo, why don't you try to sing the sample out loud? And I said that, I never tried it before. Cool, no problem. I think it would be great for like the Caribbean with Jamaican and Trinidadian to like fuse on one, and it will go crazy. So tell me now, before this song comes out in 3 minutes, I just want to tell y'all, because this is why some Americans don't even fuck with Caribbean people, because y'all be acting stupid as shit, and that's just the fact. Some of y'all dumb as shit. Right? Why would we end up use a sample from somebody else's song that was done in 2006 or 5 and not clear the song? Like, how does that even make sense, bro? Like, before you guys look at the bigger picture and be like, yo, Shenseea is rapping for Caribbean, boom bam bang, our girl is doing her thing, blah blah blah. Y'all try to say I stole somebody's song. Stop fucking with me. Stop playing me. Cause that's so stupid. Like, and then Megan is on the song. Why would we risk getting sued? That's all I want to clear up. And it's not something that's bothering me. It's just because I know that people run with this narrative and I'm not about to do it. So I'm about to start clearing shit up from early. Because normally I would be avoiding shit, but I'm not going to do it this year. If I see that it's the need to answer or y'all trying to ruin my reputation or some shit, it's not going to happen. I'm not going to do it with y'all. Not this year, baby. Normally I'll hold my tongue because I don't give a shit. Normally, I would hold my tongue because I don't care. But come on, when are we gonna stop this shit? It's really just ignorance for real. It's really just ignorance. And guess what? Me not care who want to try to come after me because guess what? 5 years now me in the industry. I walk broad. As you can see, I have a very broad back. Me not give a shit. Anyways, 1 minute. Big up Denise. I spoke to Denise. Megan jumped on the song. She did her thing. It went crazy. The video is about to release in less than a minute.